October 23rd, 2020. Welcome to episode 1 of Do Less, Live Next Level. In this episode, I'm going to introduce you to our team. I'm going to pull back the curtain on what is our home service company of Live Next Level. And I'm going to show you how you can do less and live next level. Check it out. What's up, everybody? My name is Brandon, and I am the owner and founder of Live Next Level. We are a home service company located here in beautiful Kelowna, B.C. Live Next Level specializes in window cleaning, house and pressure washing, as well as gutter cleaning. Live Next Level was started back in September of 2011, so about 9 years ago now. I was 21 years old at the time. I knew nothing about business. I started with my first Toyota pickup truck. It definitely wasn't easy, and I learned a ton along the way. It's been a really fun ride, and we're just getting going. I'm really excited to pull back the curtain, share some of the early stories in the company, as well as show you what we got going on today. So as of 2020, now our team has grown, and I'm excited to introduce them to you. So this is your first day with Live Next Level, or second day. So what do you think of the company so far?
Good, yeah. I really enjoy the whole vibe here at Live Next Level.
Awesome.
I've met a lot of the coworkers. They all seem like really nice guys. I'm excited to get after it, learn some new things.
Keep learning.
Yeah.
And what's your role going to be in the company?
So I'll be starting out as a technician.
Okay.
I am the operations manager here.
Company here.
I'm a lead technician on the soft wash truck.
So I'm a technician. So
All right.
basically I'm going to every house, cleaning the windows, cleaning gutters, inside, outside.
So when I started in the technician position,
Yeah.
and moved my way up to the crew lead, which I've been doing for a few months now.
I am the office manager for Live Next Level. I take care of the crew's days, schedule them. We get requests all the time for gutter cleaning, window cleaning, pressure wash, house wash, surface cleaning. All this stuff comes through the office. I take it, put it together, and send it out to the crews for their days.
So every single morning, from Monday to Friday, we have a team meeting on Zoom. And we started doing this when the whole pandemic came through in March, COVID-19 hit. And so that team meeting is at 7:30 a.m. every single day, and I'm going to show you a quick clip of what that looks like right here.
I set everything up last night in my front room. I put my goggles on, I put a thing, and I put a video of a GoPro of somebody going down a ski, and I was just watching my phone acting like it was me.
You know what? You're a perfect snowboarder, because every year I'll do this. I don't do that as far, but I will put all my gear on, put my board on, stand on the carpet, and do a couple.
That's literally what I was just doing then, and I just had a video pretending like.
I love.
And so I'm hoping that's kind of how the rest of the fall kind of works, is that we can, like, even with gutter cleaning jobs, we can blitz them out quick. We can blitz them out together. And, that's where I like the paid on production, is gutter cleaning can go pretty relatively fast.
Live Next Level was ultimately built, first and foremost, around the residential customer. We wanted to be the most convenient and responsive window cleaning company to deal with.
My favourite part of the job is being outside. I love nature. Yeah. We see some beautiful homes here, some beautiful views. Like, most of our clients are really, really nice people, So yeah, being outside with nature is a massive bonus for this job.
The freedom of being outside and making people smile.
Such a good team. We have a great team rolling. This year, 2020, has been such a strange year for, I'm sure, everybody, but with the guys we got, the crews we got, we're all playing hard and working hard, and yeah, it's been a good year.
Favorite part is probably meeting some nice people.
Yeah.
Getting to clean houses that are on the lake. They got beautiful views, so we get to enjoy it for a bit too.
For me, I love problem solving. So when I come to a new job, I've never seen the house, never seen the job, being able to look at it and kind of see how we're going to tackle it, that's what I look forward to every day.
So to do less and live next level ultimately means to do less of the things you don't want to do and more of the things you want to do. Like, why would you be out there climbing on ladders trying to clean your own gutters in the snow when you can be building snowmen? That's next level. Outside of work, how do you live next level? What do you like to do outside of work when you're not cleaning windows, when you're not being the operations manager?
Simply, I rock climb.
Rock climbing.
That's what I do.
We
man.
know you love rock climbing.
I live next door. I love golf, so I'm trying to play a bit
sweet.
of golf at the moment.
Yeah.
I'm trying to convince my brother-in-law at the moment to try and teach me how to snowboard, getting ready for the winter.
Oh man, I can't wait.
Convince a few of the boys to take me up there from work. But yeah, mate, I love going for hikes and things like that. So yeah.
This year was a golf year. It was basically the only sport that was available to do. Usually play hockey. When winter rolls around, there'll be some big white and some snowboarding involved this winter for sure. But through the season, it's been a lot of golf, and yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, to live the next level lifestyle, I like to get out skiing, mountain biking, just anything where I'm outside and getting some good exercise, pushing the limits.
I love being outdoors. I love photography, so hiking, anything that I can go do outside, something that has a view, take some nice photos.
Yeah.
And then in the wintertime, skiing, snowboarding.
So really the mountains have my heart, whether it's rock climbing, skiing, putting the two together for some ski mountaineering, that's what really drives my passion.
Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch episode 1. If you could do me a favor and subscribe and also share this video, we'd like to get this out to more audience. And we're gonna try to release these episodes every Friday. We'll see how it goes. Life in the service industry can be pretty busy. It's pretty full on. We're trying to get all our work done here before the winter, as you saw the snow this morning. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.